Hello, Tito Jeff here in Ormoc City, Leyte the Philippines. And I've been in the Philippines for almost 2 months now. Let's see, I arrived April 6th. So, coming up next week will be 2 months. And one of the things I missed is having a good hamburger. And the places I go shopping, you don't see too much hamburger in the market. So we found this at the SM, which is like a big supermarket in a mall. We pay 270 pesos per kilo, which is $5.40 per kilo. Kilo is 2 pounds, 2.2 pounds. So it's about $2.60 a pound. And we had some the other night, and they're really good. So I got some onions. They have hamburger buns, but I didn't buy any. I've got mayo. I like mayonnaise on my hamburger. And I like mustard, but no mustard at the grocery store. We've got cheese by the slice, and it's pretty good. So we're going to have hamburgers tonight, and I'll show you when we get the finished product here. Okay, so Marcel wanted some hot dogs, so I threw those in the skillet with the hamburgers. Just about to finish up. I got the cheese on there, got the bread prepared with mayonnaise, the onions sliced, ready to eat. Okay, so here we are. 2 cheeseburgers, 3 hot dogs, salt. I'm drinking some ginger tea, and Marcel probably just have some cold water. All right, delicious cheeseburger. The hamburger did not turn into grease, so it's good. Not a lot of fat in the hamburger, so it didn't waste away. Pretty good price, very good flavor. Good cheeseburger in the Philippines. I'm so happy.